you guys have seen this 80 times. We are headed toward the track. We are in SuperSecret. We got our stuff. Guys, you seeing that? So we'll get up there and change tires and see if we can do a little something. It's a beautiful day. So we should have a lot of fun. Pirates coming up. Joe Nathan's up there with Mission 7. David's got the Cobra. Yay. So we should have a good time. So let's get on up there and get our stuff changed out. And yes, that's Mountain Dew in that cup. So, all right, we'll be back. It's David and Slobra. This is Maverick. There he goes. 193, that's not good. 850, that's bad. The Maverick went a 690 something, 97. It's got a, what's that thing got in 408? 408.
I know David got in his
Grudge match. Mission 7 versus Black Pearl. Alright, Pirates got him outgunned a little bit. We all know that, but this is just for fun. Jonathan's just got to try and keep it close. Michael has some problems. 779 at 89.9. Uh-oh, Michael may have broke. We got to go see what happened. Damn. Like the inertia switch. He tripped the inertia switch. Let's see if that's what it was. There it is. Coil wire came off. True professionals. All right. Ole Rusty. He's upgraded TKO 500, face plated, scatter shield, aluminum flywheel, new clutch, or a used clutch, new to him. So we'll see. He's racing a turbo 3 valve, they're buddies. It's on a pass. Wow, 724 at 95.9. Thought it'd be a little quicker than that, but first pass with a new tranny, so take a little getting used to. All right. All right, that's one. What happened? Coil wire come off? Hey, would you agree on that pass?
Nope.
That you had somewhat of a catastrophic failure that kept you from completing the pass? Was it a loss?
And I made a pass.
Okay. All right, it was like an 8-minute pass. Whoa, what's going on with the seat? All right, let's go back and talk to the winner for a second. You got to have this one. All right, one down. Yeah.
The winner.
79. Oh, you treat them too. You're gonna have to be a little sharper on the tree. You got left lane. This could be it right here. This could be it. He done put himself in a hole, so he's got to get his game face on. All right. No cool downs either. We're hot lapping. Block Kyle. With the big block, C6, got a cam, headers, 410, stock converter. There we go. I think it's a 429 that's in it. 781 it. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. What the 186 is. Well, the one is 781. Alright, here we go again. Try and catch all the action. 1-0, Jonathan. Myron with the win. There's a big block. There it is. What year is this thing, Kyle? What size?
93.
A 93?
Yeah.
What's 460?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was a 429 for some reason, but I don't know why. I don't know why I did, but I did.
The same shit, pretty much.
Yeah. Small cam.
I know you wouldn't know nothing about no carburetors.
I know a little bit.
The freaking plastic sight window just broke off the carburetor.
Are you serious?
I thought I smelled gas. Thank God it didn't fucking burn down.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the little fucking...
Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Over tightened the bitch, I guess. It popped out of there, so...
Damn.
Hopefully I got a backup.
An actual, just a screw. Dang. What's the best this car's ran? 71?
61.
Oh, 61. Okay. Wow. What's the best mile an hour?
90. Oh, 92 and a half. Yeah, we're 91.4 that time.
I thought it'd been like 92 or something. That's still getting it done for just a mild combo. Needs a converter.
Bunch of stock junk.
Yeah, just needs a converter.
Oh, it's overly desperate for one of those.
All right.
Overly desperate.
All right, what happened?
2 paychecks today. I lost.
What'd you run? Because there's no time.
Half. 90.
We got to see what happened. What happened here, folks?
There you go.
Oh, give me that. Give me the wind.
So what's up, Rad?
We're fixing to get rad here in a minute once these two guys get done.
Yeah,
795
filming your buddy's timesheet there.
What'd you run 780 for? What happened?
What if he's no time and you're putting that out there to the world?
text message? He said he gonna be doing some whoop whoop.
Oh, you whooped him at the. Oh,
I whooped him at the end.
my
3
goodness!
times.
You let him womp the throttle on
If
you.
he's no time, you're putting that out there to the world, man. How's he gonna get a race?
Wow, it's actually both good on the tree. You were 056, he was 087. Good job. So,
We saw the mile an hour,
all right.
1.3,
Yeah, but he pulled the
All right.
tires off up there.
This is for all the marbles right here. But you got one. That's all that matters. The third one. This is technically a hot lap, even though they did drag the track. They got to sit staging, but here we go. Days. Iris in. Oh! Nothing. Redneck blew the tires off. Game over. 54 at 91.9 for Pirate. Damn. He took a shot at the tree.
Would you agree that you screwed yourself on that one?
I missed second.
Oh, Matt's killing me. He's jinxing me. We're going to miss it again.
the worst car in the world that we're in. When we drive it, this is the worst car we're in. Big circle. Holy crap. Wow. What a 730 flats, personal best. Wow, that's crazy. It's kind of warm today too, so man, we'll take that.
Classic Ford Mopar valve.
This is a true 5-speed driver right here. Mike will show you what's up. Power gonna run 752 and 92. Comes Ole Rusty, trying to do some good. Turbo 3 valve, 5-speed. Pretty good, buddies. Holy mackerel, that was a mess all the way around on both sides. Here comes Joe Nathan. He does have, what he running that one pass at 79? So he's got a 779 on the board today. 790, and he had the problem with the other. That's brilliant. 408's killing him. That's probably still a pretty decent pass though. We'll find out what it ran. Alright, comes Pirate. Trying to do a little work. Get laid out. No time, of course. Alright, run. We'll find out what he ran. Sorry guys. I forgot to turn the camera on. I don't have my game face on today. It's alright. This is only our third pass. We're just kind of screwing around. We should have out car video of it though. And we ran that twin turbo Mustang again, the black one, the old 69, or whatever it is. He pounded us. Let's see what it ran. Thanks, sir. Oh my God, 727, 92.5, 152.60. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Right. Good job, David. Man, he changed a little something on the tune from the last time we had up here. We went out and missed a gear, so it's showing its worth. We didn't short shift second that time.
Put on a clinic on how to shift a T5.
All right, Rodney. Put you on blast again. Don't miss a
This
gear.
guy can flat out shift a Mustang. Let him drive yours. He can either show you how to shift it or how to put it in a few different pieces.
comes Kyle. Pirate's scared to build a big block car because of this guy. But Kyle is going to show him right here, right now, what these are capable of. Go. Oh, God, he waited. He got him. Get him. Get him. Oh, here comes the 331. He's got the horsepower. Oh, 786 to a 787 at 94C. Them big block cars, don't ever count them out. Don't ever count them out. That motor came out of his grandmother's Lincoln that she drove for 28 years until it rotted away beneath her. And then he put an RV camshaft in it, some headers.
She rotted away?
Just a car, I think. So, why am I filming this? Car, like a 09 or something. We crushed that guy. But I'm not gonna lie, I like watching that guy do burnouts. He does some killer burnouts in that thing. It sounds awesome. Anyway, we're 152 on the 60. So, thanks, sir. 729 and 92, 92.5. And we'll take it. I think we short shifted third a little bit.
.52, 60 foot, 729, missed a mile an hour, 92.5.
Ole Rusty. We tried to make a go of it. Probably hurt our ET a little bit, but he started walking the dog on us there at the end. The Boss 302, man, that thing runs. Thanks, sir. Crap. 730. 60 foot with a 149. It hooked too hard. Dang it. Oh well. Passes, ran a 27, 29, I think a couple of 30s, 30 flats, and we missed a gear, of course. So, other than that, it was a good time. We had a lot of fun talking to everybody and hanging out. So, we'll see you guys when we do the blah, blah, blah. Let's hit the bumpy road. Hey guys, what? Oh, Lord. Yeah. This is the blah, 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 and I guess Jack's going to be involved with the whole thing this time. Sorry, I'm doing something on my phone. Trust me, it's YouTube stuff. Hey, easy. My goodness. Anyway, we went to the track the other day. We had a great time. It was a lot of fun. I didn't get as much filming done. When I'm at the track having a good time, the last thing on my mind, honestly, is filming. Unless I'm just filming Pirate and them being silly. Jonathan was there with Mission 7. Pirate was there with the Black Pearl. we've been stirring up a little stuff, just getting them. Jonathan likes to talk a little trash and to Michael, and so Michael brought the Pearl up there, which, you know, wasn't really a fair fight, but, you know, it is what it is. David was up there with the Cobra, and we had SuperSecret up there. So run through some of this stuff real quick. A couple other guys were up there. Skyler had Ole Rusty up there. He just put a face-plated TKO 500 in it, aluminum flywheel and stuff like that. Still trying to get that sorted out. Like I say, that's a 500 horsepower Boss 302 cannon valve head. You know, not new Boss stuff, old Boss stuff. That car's going to be really wicked once he gets it all sorted out. It takes time to do that. I guess that's about it as far as Big Block Kyle was up there with his big block car, which is, you know, there's a little description of it in the videos a little bit. You know, mild cam headers. Car needs a converter. It's on drag rails, so if it could leave a lot harder, it'd really do something. Hey, that's David, the scientist. So the last time we had SuperSecret up there, David had been tinkering with the tune and had made a few changes to it. And the last pass, he made a little change, and I don't even know what it is, to be honest with you. And I went up there and missed a gear. So we didn't actually get a result. So the first pass, well, let me start that story back over real quick. I went to make my first pass, and Michael had gotten Matt, the starting line guy, all worked up to talk a bunch of trash on the PA system about how I'm the best T5 driver. So I go up there and just clang second gear like a complete moron. Pirate thought that was great. He got a big laugh out of that. So our second pass, we redeemed ourselves, and then so on and so forth. But the second pass, the car ran way fast, or I say way faster, ran faster than I thought it would. It was a personal best for the car at the time. So it was really a lot of fun. So we're just talking and talking. Jack, you're messing me up, man. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing multiple takes. This is the one take. So let's go look at the numbers real quick, and we'll be right back if I haven't, or if Jack hasn't killed me. Boom, here we go with the numbers. 158, missed second, 70-88 at 90.5. Whee! Pulled back around, hot lapped it, and 152, 730 at 92.0. That was, we were happy with that one. And then that was a money shot right there. 152 flat, 727 at 92.5. And then we let it rest. 729 at 92.5. And then our final pass of the day was a 730 at 92.2. Ole Rusty ran a 7 flat at 97.8. He ran us down and got on around us. Like I say, this pass was a hot lap, and the rest of these were cool down. So we spent most of the day jabbering, talking, running our jaw, and just being a general nuisance to everybody. So we didn't make as many passes as we would have or could have or should have. So let's get back to the blah, blah, blah. And we're back. We're in the same position we were when we left. How do we do that? How do we get up, walk over, and then get back here and be in the movie magic? You guys know this. You guys know the drill. So, you know, we made 5 passes. We claimed one. I mean, I've just got to face the facts that that's going to happen with that car. Me and that car got some kind of thing going on to where I got to miss a gear in it or whatever. But we did run a personal best. The DA wasn't as great as it has been. So we think there's maybe a little bit more left in it, maybe a low 20. But like I say, it was a lot of fun hanging out, and everybody's car ran pretty good. Jonathan ran pretty good. Pirate's best pass of the day was a 46. David, you know, while he didn't run fast in the Cobra, he didn't miss any gears, and you know, everything went pretty good. Nobody broke anything. That's always a bonus. So I guess I was trying to make this one kind of short. They always get long. Again, I'd like to thank Pirate for some of the filming. Jonathan also. David, I think, filmed maybe the last pass. And especially Matt at the track, having that thing on kill. Man, TNT days up there are great. Track's always really good for me. And thanks to McBuddy for the awesome thumbnail. As always, he takes some great pictures. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and, Jack, let's go ahead. Tell them. We're going to, oh God, okay. Thanks for subscribing as always. And thanks for watching. We're just going to do the plain thanks for watching this time. Thanks for watching. And especially thanks for commenting. So until next time on the substandard Fox Body Leader in YouTube videos or whatever, we'll see you guys later. Tell them bye, Jack. All right.